Ah, I don't know. Some of the people doesn't like this one, but I like it. Hey guys, I am CJ Estrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're here at Incheon, Korea, and here at Terminal 2. And I'm actually not gonna stay here in Korea, but I'm just gonna be here for transit. And I just came out from a 14-hour flight, and I did nothing. I mean, I only slept for a couple of hours, which should not be. I should have been sleeping in the plane, but I didn't, because my buddy is not sleep. I mean, I'm not sleepy at the time, so I only slept for like 2 or 3 hours from that 14-hour flight. So what I did is just watch Riverdale. I hope it's not too late to catch up. So I'm gonna look for Korean food because I miss Korean food. Well, I haven't eaten Korean food for a while now, since I've been to the US for 2 months. I haven't eaten like Asian food or Korean food. So yeah, so I miss it. And probably gonna look for something. Oh, banana milk. I'm gonna try to look for banana milk. And I'm feeling so tambok with my cap, and I don't want to take off my hat because my hair is such a mess. I think I need to get a haircut. So enough of the talking, and let's go. I hope you enjoy this video, and let's gonna do a mukbang again. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I don't even know if it's called mukbang anymore, but I'm just gonna eat. Alright, I'm just gonna eat.
대한항공에서 승객을 찾습니다. 안태규 손님.
Ano kanya kung i-order? Halang, pero if you're just gonna eat noodles, dili ka siya halang. Unless yung sulit ko na sa pauna, halang mo siya. Iyan ang kibaw mo. Chopsticks yun. Kog. Chef. Yung buko rin. So, nako yellow na radish. I don't know. So this one's supposed to be sweet para pa-neutralize ang spiciness. I love it. I don't see this one in Shibuto. Oh my god, this is my dinner. It's already 6 now, and hayag pa. It's already my dinner. 6 already, and I don't know if you can hear me, but my voice is so soft here because I don't want to make something here. You know, I don't want to get people's attention. Sabaw. Ang sakit bata eh. But, why? Nga magka-sweater man ko eh. Nga dili man bugnaw dire. O sa airplane, bugnaw sa airplane. Sub na to. That's it. Excuse me. Sayang po, no? Pag nabibira pa niya. $9. Shit, $9 guys. Pero noon naman ko sa airport, yun naligid ang price. Sabaw para halang. Oh my god, so good. Para halang. Mana eh? Last. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I still get an hour here in Incheon Airport, and I am looking for one drink that's you know, one of my favorite here, and you can just buy them for like 2,600 Korean won. That's probably around 100 pesos, I guess. So let's go find it, and I hope that I don't miss my flight, because if I'm gonna miss my flight, I don't know what to do. Hayag naman kayo. Let's go. Banana milk. So I walked long way just to be here at the food court just to buy this banana milk, which is apparently, I think it's in the Korean stores in Cebu, but I haven't bought one. I think Master Marco told me that they sell it in Cebu, but they comes in a different packaging. And I want to buy it here when I'm here in Korea. So let's drink it. 30 minutes to go before flying to the Philippines. But before that, before leaving Korea, I should not miss drinking banana milk. Let me eat siya. Let me. I don't know, some of the people doesn't like this one, but I like it. It's kind of addicting. At first, it's like just milk, sweet milk, but it has a distinctive taste that wanna makes you crave for it. So yeah, I think that's it for today, and until next food trip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love.